sure.
Oh. Thomas.
No, it's not.
Want a spoon to do it? There you go.
Tommy, are you eating it?
Yes, he is.
It is. Put that on.
Put his hat on. Daddy's got to finish scooping, okay?
Okay, Kaden, scoop out.
I don't want the spoon.
Put it on the plastic.
Thomas, come here. You got to scoop it out with the spoon. Come on. Ready? Ah.
Stop.
You guys don't like goopy things?
Mama's not gonna laugh.
I want to do it with Papa.
Papa,
Kaden, can you scoop again, honey?
you did it with Papa last year. Say hi to the camera. Say hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. Hello. The battery. Gosh.
Daddy's gonna get a big bunch
Is it good,
of
Kaden?
goop. Goop.
Ew.
Goop. Goop. Kaden, stop throwing the lid.
Ew.
Goop.
Ew. Ew. The blood of
Don't throw the lid. Put the lid back on the top.
Put that on, okay? I'm putting that on.
I'm not done. Gotta get his insides out.
Ew.
See the seeds?
I'm putting that on. I'm putting that on.
I don't know what's this one. Look at the camera and say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Thank you, honey. Tommy, say Happy Halloween, honey.
Halloween.